So I'm going to show you how to create app folders on the home screen of your Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first thing you want to do is go to any app, any two apps that you want a folder for. So make sure they're on the home screen. So you can actually go to the app screen. Maybe you go to this one. Let's add it to the home screen like that. Then let's find another one. I'm going to put all the social media apps on the home screen. So Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Oops. Okay. There you go. So you have Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So now what you need to do is simply press and hold one and then drag it into another like that and then release, and it's going to automatically create a folder. And now you can actually go ahead and add this other app into that folder like that. So that is an app folder. So let me just drag this back exactly where it was. And now we have an app folder, and now you can customize the app folder by going to the folder name and giving it a name. I'm going to call this one socials and tap on done. So that is basically how to create app folders on the home screen of your Galaxy Z Fold 8. Thanks for watching and good luck.